Hey besties! Get ready with me to do a little bit makeup. I need a mirror. Cute! Okay, now let's go in the video. Let's use this sunscreen. It's a moisturizing sunscreen from Amuse. Let's go mix! My skin is literally glowing. Let's use this tone-up sunscreen from Amuse. Let's mix. OMG! Look at my skin. I want to glow more. Let's use Amuse Cushion Powder. I love the results. Obviously, we have to put some lip gloss. So cute, but one thing's missing. Ta-da! This Amuse case is so cute. Let's open it. I love how mini it is. OMG, I look so cute and pretty. Let's just see. So cute. Thank you, Amuse, for all these products. I love it. I just want to do one quick thing. Thank you, Amuse. Thank you, Amuse, for all these products. I am literally obsessed. So, bye. Love you guys. This is my Get Ready With Me. Literally love. Peace out, shotgun.